Meanwhile, there's full-on commotion in the Lok Sabha, even though adjourned for a while till about 2 p.m. But Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi says Rajnath Singh allowed to speak. Leader of Opposition is gagged. He's making a charge against the government at the centre, saying, I am not allowed to speak on the floor of the House. But Defence Minister Rajnath Singh can go on. Opposition not allowed to speak in the House of the Parliament is what Rahul Gandhi has said. My rights are being curbed in the Lok Sabha to speak up. So already on the first day, if the government was prepared to speak on Operation Sindoor, so was the opposition to disrupt and say we're not even permitted to speak up. Let's listen into Rahul Gandhi.
देखिए सवाल ये है कि जो हाउस में डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को बोलने देते हैं, उनके लोगों को बोलने देते हैं, मगर अगर विपक्ष का कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है तो अलाउड नहीं है। मैं लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन हूँ, मेरा हक है, तो मुझे तो कभी बोलने ही नहीं देते हैं। तो ये एक नया अप्रोच है।
तो चर्चा करें अगर तैयार है। अगर एलओपी को कुछ बोलना है 1 मिनट के लिए तो बोलने देना चाहिए। एडजर्नमेंट मोशन।
मैम क्या पीएम कोई जवाब देना चाहिए? आप लोग की ये मांग है।
मैम आर यू सेइंग
रक्षा मंत्री के जवाब से संतुष्ट हो जाएंगे आप लोग?
He was not allowed to speak today. He should be allowed to speak. He is the leader of the opposition.
So asking why wasn't the leader of opposition allowed to speak? So that's where the start has been. What a Monday this has been of fireworks in the lower house of the parliament, the Lok Sabha, where Rajnath Singh and other leaders also who were speaking, but Rahul Gandhi, walking out of the premises, says, I'm not even allowed to speak. I'm the leader of opposition, but Defence Minister Rajnath Singh can speak up. We'll listen in again to what Rahul Gandhi has to say, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's also a fellow parliamentarian now, and the sister coming to jump in to say, why is Rahul Gandhi not being allowed to speak up? Let's listen in again first to Rahul Gandhi.
देखिए सवाल ये है कि जो हाउस में डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को बोलने देते हैं, उनके लोगों को बोलने देते हैं, मगर अगर विपक्ष का कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है तो अलाउड नहीं है। मैं लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन हूँ, मेरा हक है, तो मुझे तो कभी बोलने ही नहीं देते हैं। तो ये एक नया अप्रोच है।